Welcome to the Foundations of Mental Health, focusing on social work practice in mental health. Mental health is crucial for overall well-being, impacting productivity, families, and communities. The WHO defines mental health as a state of well-being, emphasizing abilities, coping, and community contribution. In Zambia, mental health understanding is culturally mediated, requiring attention to environmental and structural factors. Explore various models like biopsychosocial, trauma-informed, and recovery for mental health practice. The biopsychosocial model focuses on the interaction of biological, psychological, and social factors. Biological factors include genetics, neurodevelopment, and physical illnesses like HIV and malaria. Psychological and social factors involve cognition, emotion regulation, and community cohesion. The biopsychosocial model calls for multidisciplinary care, adapting to local resources and norms. The trauma-informed model emphasizes safety, trust, and empowerment to avoid re-traumatization. In Zambia, trauma is influenced by political upheavals, HIV, AIDS, and community violence. Trauma-informed practice involves screening for trauma and embedding supports in traditional structures. The recovery model focuses on personal recovery, hope, and social inclusion, supported by peer and educational opportunities. In Zambia, recovery involves partnering with informal supports and community rehabilitation programs. Integrative practice combines biological treatments with trauma-informed and recovery principles, exploring local distress idioms. Social determinants like birth, growth, and work conditions shape mental health risks and protections. Key determinants in Zambia include poverty, education, and access to healthcare. Rural and urban areas face different challenges, from food insecurity to overcrowding and violence. Stigma in mental health includes public, self, and structural aspects, affecting individuals and communities. Addressing stigma involves campaigns, engaging leaders, and legal reforms to protect rights. Understanding the structural factors and systemic inequities is crucial in addressing health system challenges. Centralization in health system organization, financing and resource allocation issues, social policy and welfare gaps, and deficits in education and workforce policy all contribute to these inequities. To reform these structures, we need to decentralize services, promote task sharing, and establish community mental health teams. Investing in social protection, training, and workforce development is essential, along with ensuring cross-sectoral policy coordination. Globally, about 1 in 8 people are affected by mental health issues, with depression and anxiety being the most common. In Zambia, limited data shows elevated levels of depression, anxiety, substance use, and perinatal problems, often comorbid with HIV. Childhood and adolescence are critical periods where early adversity such as malnutrition, parental illness or loss, and exposure to violence can lead to developmental delays and behavioral or mood disorders. In adulthood, work stress, economic insecurity, and substance misuse are prevalent issues. Older adults face challenges like comorbidity, bereavement, dementia, and care gaps, which require targeted interventions. The community and societal impacts of mental health issues include economic costs, intergenerational effects, and reduced social cohesion. Additionally, the healthcare system faces strain and inappropriate management challenges. Prioritizing social work and community interventions involves integrating mental health into primary care through task sharing, promoting school-based and parenting programs, and engaging traditional and religious leaders. Strengthening data and research is also crucial. Policy and service development priorities include decentralization and integration, workforce development, increased financing, legal and rights frameworks, and enhanced research and surveillance. In conclusion, mental health is multifaceted, involving various definitions, models, and determinants. Biopsychosocial and trauma-informed recovery models are essential. Addressing stigma, structural inequities, and strengthening services is crucial, with social work leading culturally attuned responses in Zambia, Zimbabwe, and Botswana.